This is Keith Scribner. I'm a professor in the School of Writing, Literature, and Film, and I teach in the MFA program. I'm a writer, a novelist. I have 2 book projects going. One is a nonfiction book about a motorcycle trip from Corvallis to the very tip of Argentina. When I started this trip, it was really a conscious decision to be always seeing the best in everyone and the best in all the situations that I'm in. I've met so many inspiring people along the way. I think really have met some friends for life. One thing that's really reinforced in me on this trip is to always be thinking about using my best judgment. One of the things I'm thinking about and writing about on this trip is how risk is tied into our lives, and in fact the importance of risk.